Hello. How's everybody doing? Everybody doing okay?
Yes.
Good. Good to see you all. Having a nice visit here. The Battle of Bloody Ridge, 12 to 14 September 42. Welcome to duty. Okay. So, well, the memorial is right in back of me here, and this is Bloody Ridge. Up here, it's a high point where you can see, and he talked about the hills where the battle was. The Americans, I think the Japanese were in Hill 1 and the Americans were in Hill 2, but I don't know exactly which one they are. And there's another monument over here. This must be the old monument because there's nothing left of it here. But I'm going to walk over here. I don't see any snakes or anything. And there's the different hillsides out here you can see. This is called Bloody Ridge. The battle in World War II. I'll have to look it up and give you some more information on it. See if I can find some old pictures of it and see here. But our bus is running to keep the air conditioning on. I just found out that the Japanese are right over there where that little slope is going down, and right here is where the Americans were. So this is where the battle was going back and forth. Very close proximity, right there where the Japanese were, Americans were here. And this hill had a lot of foxholes around it that may still be there on the side of the hill. Yep, he found an old shell. Let's see the shell here. Let's see the shell. Right there. Yeah, he found an old shell, another piece, an old sword there that they found. A lot of different things. I guess there's a lot of stuff. Oh, the old bullets and everything too. Look at all that. Yeah, a lot of relics. A coin, a nickel. United States nickel there. I can't see. May I see it? Let me see. See the date. 1939. 1939. And the dime is 1939 also. Yeah. That's a silver one. That's a good dime. It's silver.
42.
Oh yeah. A bunch of them there. Yeah, all kinds of stuff there. Good souvenirs. Good souvenirs there. Good. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
No can interest you.
Walking along the trail here. Our guide for the day is up there. Maybe he found something to show us. I don't see any critters or anything here, but
go ahead and look up from there. All the sort of ideas. Wow. They start to bury it now, but we keep a bit of it so that you can still lay wreath on 7th of August every year when we celebrate the World War II day. You know? But this is
there's the foxhole down there. It's a little hard to see, but it goes down in there, and there's a tunnel that runs underneath it here. So that was a lot of work to take that down there, and Americans hid there and came out at night. Like I said, the Japanese are right over there at that other hill, so they're very close by. So this one is pretty well hidden here. But
on that hill.
Don't want to get down it. But that's a foxhole from World War II. Way down there. It goes pretty far down there, that's for sure. And runs all the way underneath of here, underneath of this hill here. So there you go. Hard to see. Like I said, I don't want to get any closer because I'm going to fall in. But it goes down there pretty deep. Okay, there we go. See us all.
We give him taking a photo. First smile.
All right.
Smile.
It's good.
Something
it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, take my head up. I'm down in here too with all my friends from Solomon Islands.
There you go.
I'm in up here.
Exactly.
There we go. Here. Okay. We're all good. Thank you.